Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Slidesgo presentations into Google Slides. If you've ever found those beautifully designed Slidesgo templates and wondered how to get them into your Google Slides for your own projects, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this step by step so you can easily access and use these templates for your presentations. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to Google Slides. Make sure you're logged into your Google account to access all the features. Once logged in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage where all your existing presentations are available, or you can create new ones. For importing a Slidesgo template, starting with a blank presentation is often the simplest option. Click on Blank Presentation to get a fresh canvas. With your new presentation opened, look to the top of the screen and click on the File menu. From the drop-down list, select Import Slides. This is how we bring your new Slidesgo designs into your workspace. A new window will pop up. Click the Upload tab to bring in the downloaded slides from your device. Next, open a new tab and go to Slidesgo. Browse through the templates until you find one that fits your needs. There are plenty of options, from business pitches to educational graphics, so choose the one that aligns with your purpose. Take your time to explore multiple templates because some may have design elements or color schemes that fit your project perfectly. Once you've chosen a template, click the download button. Make sure to save the template in .pptx format, as Google Slides can easily import this file type. Return to Google Slides and click Select a file from your device. Find the downloaded template and open it. Google Slides will display an import screen where you can select the specific slides you want to insert. You don't have to import all the slides. You can pick just the ones you like and skip the rest. With a click, the chosen slides are added to your blank presentation, ready for customization. Now that your template is imported, you can start adding your own content, such as text, images, charts, or videos. You can also change the colors, font, and layout to match your branding or presentation style. Remember, importing templates is just a starting point. The real magic happens when you personalize it. You can even duplicate slides to maintain the original design while experimenting with new ideas. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a Slidesgo template into Google Slides, making it ready for your personalized content. I hope this guide helps you create stunning presentations with ease. Don't forget to explore other templates on Slidesgo in the future. They're a treasure trove of inspiration. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.